Looking for power, precision and performance in one machine? Meet the White Horse Industrial Range welding machines. The name trusted by professionals worldwide. Built for heavy-duty jobs, the White Horse Welder combines advanced inverter technology with rugged durability, perfect for everything from construction sites to high-volume workshops.
White Horse, built to last, engineered to perform.
Order now and upgrade your tools today.